Have you ever dreamed about wanting that village lifestyle? Well, now's your chance. I'm here outside this 2-bedroom, semi-detached home on Leaman Close. Dreams really do come true. I'm Kirsty, property partner at CR Real Estate. Come with me, let's take a look inside. One of the main selling points of this home is this gorgeous wren kitchen with built-in top-of-the-range appliances such as a Neff hide and slide oven, a Neff microwave, a Bosch dishwasher and a Hoover gas hob. The current homeowners really have thought about the space and design this kitchen has to offer. Stepping away from the kitchen, you also have this open-plan living space with white flooring throughout to add your own personal touch. Words that come to mind are welcoming, inviting, homely and immaculate. With this home being slightly bigger than your average 2-bedroom in the area, the rear of the home has been extended to create a dining room perfect for hosting. To the first floor of this home you have 2 double bedrooms and also a brand new fitted bathroom. Externally, this home offers a driveway for 2 cars and a garage, as well as a well-sized rear garden for any buyer to enjoy in the summer months. Halstow is considered to be one of the best locations to live within the surrounding area, with picturesque views across the local countryside, a friendly local pub offering cooked meals and the local shop all within walking distance. So there you have it, Leaman Close. You can literally unpack your stuff and move straight in. If this home ticks your boxes, give me a call on the number below to arrange your viewing.